In this video, we are going to see how we can use Bitquery APIs to get price change 5 minute, 1 hour, 6 hour percentage of a specific Solana token, and then we will see a query to get top 10 Solana tokens by price change in last 1 hour. I will add the API links in the description. You guys can test it out on id.bitquery.io. By just signing up on ID, you will get free 10,000 points for the first month for just testing purposes. Let's go to docs.bitquery.io and then navigate to V2 Docs. We are going to use API V2 version and then go to L1 chains. Under L1 chains, click on Solana and then go to the Solana Districts API page. Then go to price change 5 minute, 1 hour, 6 hour percentage of a specific token query. This query can help you get price change data for the duration of 5 minute, 1 hour, 6 hour for a specific Solana token. You can just click on here button and it will open the query on the IDE. In the query, we are using the text trade by tokens cube. We have selected filter using where clause. In that, we have specified transaction result success true because we don't want to accommodate any unsuccessful trades. We have selected the trade currency mint address as this token address, and its market address we have also selected because for a particular pair I'm going to be calculating the price change. So in the latest release of the API v2, we have introduced relative time filtering and also the expressions. I'll tell you about expressions later on in the video, but let's talk about this block time filtering relatively. You used to see only these type of values like after, before, in, is, not in, since, or till values in the block time filter, right? Where you used to put exact timestamp in UTC and then you used to filter it. You had to change the timestamp every time you run the query, right? We have introduced this relative type of time filtering where you can just, if you want to select the since relative, then you can just put in here like how many days ago or how many hours ago or how many minutes ago you need the data from. So let's say I need the data since 6 hours ago. So I've just selected the hours ago and put in 6 here. So now I don't have to put the exact timestamp here. I just can use the relative time filtering and it will automatically give me the data for the last 6 hours. So in the last 6 hours data, then we are calculating the price 5 minutes ago, price 1 hour ago, and price 6 hours ago, and also the current price. We need all of these details to calculate the price change percentage for the last 5 minutes, for the last 1 hour, and for the last 6 hours. So to calculate the 5 minute ago price, we have basically used minimum block time. We need to specify this if block time since relative minutes ago is 5. So this will ensure that we are only considering last 5 minute of the time slot. And in the last 5 minute time slot, give me the price in USD where the block time was minimum. So it will be price 5 minutes ago, right? So that's how we have done this. And current price, you can just do price in USD maximum block time. Here we are calculating volumes also in 5 minutes, in last 1 hour, and in also last 6 hours. Similarly, we are just doing the summation of trade side amount in USD that will give you the volume in USD. Similarly, we have done that in these two values, volume 1 hour and volume 6 hours. And here we are calculating the price change percentage. So we have introduced expressions now, which you can use to calculate expressions or use the query fields to do the summation or do any type of algebraic expression or calculation in between these fields. So you can just use the calculate keyword and then bracket define an expression. An expression will be under commas, inverted commas, and in anything in here will be treated as an algebraic expression and will get calculated. You have to keep in mind that you need to use proper bracketing. If you want to use the query fields itself, you'll need to use proper alias naming and you have to use the dollar in front of the name. So now I'll run the query and you will see the price change percentages for the last 1 hour, 5 minutes, and 6 hours. Now we are going to see one more query which will get you the top 10 Solana tokens by price change in last 1 hour. Just click on here button and it will open this API on the IDE. So from the last query, we are just adding the currency field here and the side currency field here and the market address. And we have removed that specific mint address from the where clause. So now it's a general query which will query each and every pair and give these percentage values for those pairs. We are limiting our result to 10 and then we are ordering the result by price change 1 hour value which we are calculating here for each pair. We're ordering the result in descending order. So now let's run the query and you will see the top 10 Solana tokens by price change in last 1 hour. You can change the price change 1 hour here to price change 5 minutes or price change 6 hours and you will get the data accordingly. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.